When the world's greatest keyboard is no longer enough, you're ready for the Masterforge. Introducing the world's most advanced keyboard and mouse replacement, here to create a new standard for the digital age. The Masterforge can do everything your keyboard can, and much more. Experience hyperfluency and access any possible input without your fingers ever breaking contact from the device. Instead of traditional 1D switches like a keyboard or typewriter, the Masterforge features 3D switches so you can react quicker, type faster, and accomplish more with less effort and less repetitive strain. It's not just a keyboard replacement, it's a keyboard revolution. Forged in the heart of Texas, the Masterforge features an aerospace-grade aluminum exoskeleton, cladded with Picatinny-style dovetail railings for next-level customization and quality unprecedented in this product category. Wield the Masterforge as a true extension of yourself with any number of electromechanical bolt-ons. The Masterforge is your tangible bridge to the digital world and can adapt to any scenario, both outside and inside. The Masterforge comes standard with a built-in platinum carry-quarter engine core. We're setting a new bar in market-leading performance, featuring a plug-and-play driverless operating system and an embedded arsenal of intelligent capabilities you won't find anywhere else. Current market-leading keyboards may provide you with a handful of customizable keys, but with the Masterforge, every combination of keys is customizable. That's more inputs at your fingertips than human beings on planet Earth. Why settle for the artificial when you are capable of supernatural intelligence? Whether you want to push the limits of the impossible, to create what others believe unimaginable, to take your game to the next level, or to type at the speed of thought, unlock the next level of human-computer interaction with a Masterforge.
Hey Kickstarter. As many of you know, our company has deep roots in this community. We're excited to be back today, not just to launch a new product, but an entirely new product ecosystem. As much as our users have loved our first generation devices, this year, we're taking things to a whole new level. We strive not only to establish new standards in human-computer interaction, but also new standards in transparency. That's why we post video updates every single week within our YouTube and Discord communities, where you can ping me or other team members at any time. So even if you're not able to back our campaign today, you can still join the conversation and help shape the future of Forge Keyboard. Dive into our free web-based learning tools and other open source projects on GitHub, build custom tools with our Open Serial API specification, or build custom bolt-ons with our Open Access CAD repo. You can even build your own fully featured CCOS-powered device using the Carry-Quarter Engine chip module. When we say that Forge is a keyboard built for you, we mean it. Just like you, Forge Keyboard has infinite potential inside and out, and there's no limit to how far we can take this together. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to send the Masterforge to your door soon.